Pull out the M1 part cover by approximately 5 aluminum slats. Align the screw holes of the M3 part with those of the M1 part, then insert the M1 part once aligned. After inserting the M1 part, slide the M3 part into place over the M1 part. Then, pull the M1 part to test if it can slide smoothly. Secure the M3 part using the F-screws, with 2 screw holes on each side. The M2 component has 2 retractable rods on its back. Use a screwdriver to loosen the screws. After loosening, align them with the 2 holes on the M3 part, push the screws into the holes, and finally tighten them. Use the M4 part to peel off the double-sided tape and attach it to the top of the truck bed. Trim it to the appropriate length as needed, ensuring there are no gaps. This step is crucial for waterproofing. Use the M5 part to peel off the double-sided tape, then apply it to the M4 component. Next, begin assembling the bracket using components M6, A, B, and E. Install one assembled M6 unit each at the front and rear of the compartment, then use an Allen wrench to secure with parts E and A. Position the M1 component at the location marked by the red dashed line, ensuring no protrusion at the end that would prevent the tailgate from closing. Place part D beneath the M3 component, slide it to the position of the M6 unit, and tighten the screw using the nut from part D. Assemble parts 1 and M7. The M7 part has 2 large water pipes and 2 small water pipes. Insert the small pipes of the M7 part into the water pipe openings at the end of the M3 part. Tighten the I-screws to secure the pipes and place them into the holes. Insert the 2 large pipes of the M7 part into the water pipe openings beneath the M1 part. Tighten the I-screws to secure the pipes and place them into the holes. After installation, close the tailgate. If it impacts the cover, adjust part A. Tightening part A will raise the height of the M3 component. Once raised, the tailgate can be closed without impact. If the rope cannot be pulled when closing the cover, adjust part D, loosen part D, move the M3 component slightly outward, then tighten the screw to secure it.